Hello students, by the grace of God, weekly trading levels are ready and I am presenting over here. The last week I mentioned that now the market moves will depend on all news related to the Fed interest rate cut or not. Either it is inflation or employment data or GDP growth rate or economic growth. Next week, Powell is going to take decision that there should be interest rate cut or not. 10 days ago, I posted that India posted its best session in 5 months on Wednesday, closing at 11-month high. And Nifty approached to the first resistance of 26,321. The same may work as a new trend decider, 26,321 and 26,369. Why I mentioned this 26,321, most of my students understand this hurdle, a hurdle point, which may work as a trend decider for coming moves. मान लो ये जो गिवन रेजिस्टेंस हैं इसको निफ्टी क्रॉस करने में सफल भी हो जाता है तो then there is another resistance level which is 26,444. Now, if these hurdle or hurdle points are being crossed, तब हम ऊपर के बड़े higher level देख पाएंगे और let's see going to be discovered in future. With these words, lots of love, blessings, happy trading and happy investing to all my students. I have talked about the hurdle point. So I will be preparing a small video how to derive these hurdle points for all my members, and that I will be posting very soon within say 1 week or so or 10 days maximum. So within this year 2025 I am going to post how to derive hurdle points. Hurdle points is such a wonderful concept which saves us from the whipsaws. When there is a breakout, most of us initiate the trade. But as we initiate the buy or the sell, price reverse and we are being trapped. How to save ourselves from these traps? It is a small concept which reveals us or save us from these all whipsaws. With these words, lots of love, blessings to all my students.